What's going on, everybody? Today we're back at Mountain Creek for Mountain Creek Vlog 4. It's a beautiful day, January 2nd, 2020, second day of the new year, and let's get some shredding in. Today we're at South Peak, hoping to meet up with a couple of the boys and ride for as long as I can. So let's get up there. What's good? Ethan, yeah. What's your name? Aiden. Aiden, Nick.
What's going on, man? I'm Connor.
You guys good?
Yeah. Back to the channel. No snow. Getting some laps in.
Here we go.
What's going on, guys?
All right, I got this. What's up, guys? We've just taken a few laps. We finished up taking a couple runs, kind of slushy, but super fun and fast. Way too many people here. And today we've met up with
Ethan.
Who are you? Ethan Silver on YouTube.
Snow.
We hooked up through YouTube or Instagram? I don't know. Instagram.
Yeah.
And now we're riding together. The legend. Go check out his channel. It's in the description. It's linked.
Met up with the man.
What's good? SnowSkateShred. Yeah! Alright, peace, man. Peace.
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 Yeah, bro.
Here, it's Ryan. Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, we just lost Ethan Silver and the crew, and now we've upgraded or downgraded. Downgraded to the boys. It's still packed, like, to the brim, full of people, and yeah, we got a lot of slush. Surprisingly, no ice. I mean, I'm waiting. Like, I guarantee in the next 2 runs we'll start to die, but. Go! What's good? What's good? This guy comments on my videos.
Hey, what is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Pause right here, back at again with the white vans. Today we're gonna be going down South Mountain. Louder. South Mountain!
Yeah, so we've been running a bunch of people that I know. Brian's here. I don't know if I said that.
Hello.
Crowded, starting to get icy. We got good vibes. I hit my good vibes.
Yeah, baby. You already know what it be. Smash that subscribe button if you want, like the video.
Let's get back to riding. What's up, guys? It's a few days later after the last clip you just saw. I may or may not have forgotten to film an outro. I'm editing right now, actually, and just noticed that there isn't one. So yeah, actually, after watching this video back, I realized that this one is very interesting. It's all over the place, but it was a super fun time. The day was great. I ran into a bunch of my friends, and we all had a great time. Like, it was one of the busiest days I've ever seen at Creek on a Thursday, but it was a super fun time. Got to ride with a bunch of my friends, and Creek is doing a great job with the lack of snow they've gotten this year. It's been warm, it's been rainy, yet somehow they have a bunch of trails open and have a good amount of features set up. So anyway, with every Mountain Creek vlog, I'm going to be telling you the most interesting comment from the last video, and this one comes from Sean Gentile. He says, To ensure a properly braised joint, make sure you Get the fitting to cherry red before you even think about using the rod to push it all the way around. You'll feel it, and be sure to cap it for a nice clean finish. You'll never leak. Thanks for that, Sean. I've always wanted to know about welding and pipe fitting. Today, I am now a more educated man. If you guys want to leave an interesting comment, I'll be sure to read it in the next Mountain Creek vlog. And make sure you like the video if you enjoyed it, comment something interesting, and smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.